the Asian Apprenticeship Awards 2018 in association with the Royal Air Force. The Engineering and Manufacturing Employers Awards 2018.
We're on to the shortlisted employers. Who are they?
The Engineering and Manufacturing Employers finalists are Bombardier Transportation, Jaguar Land Rover, and BAE Systems.
Who's the winner? Who's the winner? I love it.
And the winner of the Employer Award is Bombardier Transportation.
Well done. Well done, sir. Bombardier is the world's leading manufacturer of both planes and trains, offering apprentices and opportunities to develop their skills and acquire valuable experience in a fast-paced, challenging and results-driven global organization. Combining study with on-the-job learning, they offer apprenticeships an exciting alternative to university and provide the foundation for a career in aeronautical engineering. How excited. Well done, guys. Thank you very much, Bombardier. Bombardier. Congratulations. Well done.
So we are here at the Asian Apprenticeship Awards 2018 in association with the Royal Air Force, and we have some more winners with us. So, what's your name?
Nerdeep man, everyone calls me Nipper on site.
And you are representing all this team tonight, are you? Or are they going to disagree with me?
We're all a team. We're all one team.
He's a keeper, isn't he? Right. So you guys have just won an award tonight as a company, is that correct?
Absolutely.
What is it? Which category did you win in?
Manufacturing.
Okay, what's your company name?
Bombardier.
Fantastic. And you guys are from, you just come from Derby, is that correct?
I have travelled down tonight, yeah. Aaron has tonight. Yeah. And the ladies, I think, last night.
Excellent. So how does it feel like being a part of the winning team?
I think it's really good. We've done loads and loads of hard work, and this is just the icing on the cake. So it's good that Aaron stood here with the award, because he has worked really, really hard.
Excellent. So how does it feel for you to be a part of a team and being recognised as an apprentice?
It's just nice to look back and think all the hard work's come and we've got something to show for it. So, and I hope other people aspire to be like other finalists.
Yeah.
Fantastic. What a beautiful message to be passing on to everybody else as well. So just ask you guys generally, what made you guys nominate for this particular award with the Asian Apprenticeship Awards? Is there anything in particular which stood out for you?
So we've done a lot of work to increase BAM and female representation. So again,
Brilliant.
with talking to ESA, looking at what the Alliance have been doing, we've been really interested in getting involved. So we joined as change makers recently, and that's what sort of inspired us really, just to get our apprentices on the list really. Yeah.
Excellent. Fantastic. Well, guys, congratulations once again. It's been lovely to have you with us, and I'm sure you're going to have a lot of party celebrations and whatnot going on as of tomorrow. It is Friday. Come on, give them the day off. Give them the day off.
They've got the
be relaxed.
More cameras.
Big day.
Is it right? Guys, thanks again. Congratulations.
The Asian Apprenticeship Awards 2018 in association with the Royal Air Force.